New day and a new beginning. Good morning, everyone. Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are okay and healthy and happy with your family. And today, before we will continue our cooking, please don't forget to subscribe my channel right there and hit the notification bell right there too, so you will be notified every time I will post a new video. I will show you a trick how I cook an okra with egg. Now let's go to my kitchen. So I will introduce you, or I will show you my simple ingredients for my trick. So the ingredients of my recipe today is okra, spinach, tomatoes, egg, 3 tablespoons of flour, salt, and we will put also a garlic, and we also put oil. So that's it. Now I will show you how I cook this. So but before we start our cooking, we will cook for 1 minute our okra, and then we will start cooking in our pan. Now we will mix all our ingredients in one bowl. This one, our okra is cooked. We cook it for 1 minute, and in here we will put our egg. Right there, we will beat it like that. And the next one that we will put is our okra, and we will mix it together. Keep mixing it, and we will put our tomatoes, because tomatoes is very healthy. Some people don't eat okra, but to me okra is very healthy. And we will put some spinach. There you go. My husband never eat okra because he said it's very slimy, but if a person had a high blood pressure or high sugar, okra is so good. Now let's put our cornstarch, not cornstarch, but it's a flour. I'm not using cornstarch because, you know, I will use flour. Okay, let's mix it together like that. Okay, I will link in the description below the sizes of the ingredients. Alright, keep mixing it until it will mix it good. And now let's add salt, so it will taste good, because if there's no salt, then your cooking won't be taste good. So another one is powdered garlic, like that. So now mix it again. But you can always add salt when you eat this. When it's cooked and when you start eating, you can always add salt. But you know, it's nice. I usually don't put salt when I eat, just a little bit when I cook. So there you have it. Now let's move to our frying pan. This is our frying pan. We will turn on our stove, and we will wait when this one will be heated. Now our frying pan is hot. It's time for us to put the oil. Okay. Oops. More oil. Not a lot of oil. Alright. Now it's time to put our mixing ingredients, but we will wait a little bit because the oil is not hot. Now our oil is hot. It's time for us to put our mixing ingredients. Right there. Other side too. There you go. The other side. Oh, looks like we can use the whole mixing thing in one time. Wow. Look. Wow, I'll just use the whole thing, so it's only 4. There you have it. See, you can see the tricky thing, how I cook okra with it. So there, people there who loves okra or okra lover, there you go, this is for us. I really love okra because it's very healthy. So now we will wait until this will be cooked, then we will flip it, and then it's ready. It's time for us to flip our cooking. There you go. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Whoops. There you go. Another one. There you go. There you go. Then we will wait when the other side will be cooked. Then we are ready. Or we are done when the other side will be cooked. And it's done. It's time for us to put our okra omelette in our plate. We're done. It's ready to eat. And there you go, our okra omelette. This is the trick how I cook okra. Thank you all guys for watching, and see you in my next video. I love you all, and bye!